In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Canva on Squarespace. We'll take a finished design from Canva and place it on your Squarespace site using an image block, keeping everything clear, polished, and easy to follow. Start in Canva with the design you want to use. Open it inside the editor and give it a final check. Confirm the text is sharp, elements are aligned, and nothing important is too close to the edges. When it looks exactly how you want, go to the top right and click Share. Then choose Download from the drop-down. Pick the file type that suits your design. PNG is great for logos, graphics, and anything that needs a transparent background, while JPG is usually best for photos because it keeps file sizes smaller. If your design has multiple pages, select just the page you need. You can also adjust the size or quality here. Larger sizes look crisp but take longer to load, so aim for a balance that keeps your site fast. When you're set, click Download and wait for the file to save to your computer. Note where it's saved so you can find it quickly. Now move over to your Squarespace account. Open your site and click Edit Site at the top right. A larger preview of your site will appear. Next, click Edit at the top left to enter the editor. Navigate to the section where you want your Canva design to appear. Hover over that area until you see the option to add content. Click Add Block, and from the small panel that appears, select Image. Squarespace will insert an image block right where you chose. If it doesn't land in the perfect spot, don't worry. You can drag and drop the block to reposition it within that section until it looks right in your layout. Inside the image block, click the plus icon, then choose Upload File. Your computer's file browser will open. Locate the Canva file you just downloaded, select it, and confirm. You'll see an upload indicator. Let it finish completely before moving on. Once the upload is done, your Canva design will display in the image block on your page. Take a moment to check spacing around the block and make small position tweaks so it sits comfortably with surrounding content. And that's it. You prepared a clean export from Canva, placed an image block in Squarespace, uploaded your design, and positioned it where you want it. Follow these same steps anytime you need to add new Canva graphics to your Squarespace site for a consistent, professional look.